What is up? YouTube, how y'all doing? Hey, it is snowing outside. I'm just letting y'all know it is snowing. Well, it's not snowing, but it's a lot of snow on the ground. How about it's a lot of snow on the ground, man. And how y'all doing? Check this out. Uncle Mike's Growth Formula. First of all, I want to introduce myself and let y'all know that Uncle Mike has been doing YouTube for over 7 years. This is a new YouTube channel. Gotta say that. People look at them subscribers and say, oh, he don't know what he talking about. We have 4 YouTube channels. One of them has over 500,000 subscribers. And we have another channel that we built, building our course. Now, I built this channel, and this channel is sitting at 66,000 subscribers. I hate that number. It's sitting at 66.6, so we got to change that. Anyway, my goal was to show you step by step on beginners how to do upload your background image, and I got all kinds of information going on. Now, I'm a great coach. If you was to join my growth formula, you will understand that this growth formula is something you can apply to your life. It don't have anything to do with YouTube. It just so happens that YouTube is the vehicle that we're using to apply growth formula tactics. You understand what I'm saying? We apply growth formula tactics to the tools that YouTube give you. We show you how to get the algorithm going in your favor. Show you how to go viral. Teach you the vocabulary so you can understand. It's funny because I actually purchased 3 or 4 YouTube courses and I'm watching them, but I'm looking at the whole course 2 or 3 times, and I went back and counted how many times they said the word evergreen content, and I'm just going on listening and watching. I'm like, what the heck? Wait a minute. They keep saying this word evergreen and I don't know what it means. You have to learn the vocabulary. That's very, very important. My glasses is dirty. But anyway, let's get on with this video. I'm a reactor. I react. I do better reacting to the videos, and I'm going to be pointing out things that he's saying that is what he's saying is good, or what he's saying is bad, or do I agree or disagree, and will it help you, especially as a beginner? If you don't know anything about YouTube, the only tool that I really suggest for people would be ChatGPT, or I don't use Google Gemini, anything like that. That's it. That's the only tool I would start off with the free, and then move from there. Because you buying all this equipment, buying all this AI stuff, I don't recommend that for any beginner. You need to learn the fundamentals of writing your own scripts, finding out the tools, learning all the free tools and why you're using them before you start purchasing tools that will spin up your money. And you done did all this stuff, and you at 500 subscribers, 500, you're halfway there, and then you start, I'm ready to give up because it's harder than what you thought it was, or so, anything like that. I think YouTube is very easy if you have growth formula. You got to apply growth formula. Anyway, one of my partners, one of the people on the team sent me this video. I guess I can see with the glasses on, they're so blurry. YouTube's big 2016 update without wasting your time. Oh, this guy right here is very good. He's been on YouTube doing things for quite some times. This is only a 5-minute video. Okay. So y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, brand new channel. Don't judge me by my subscribers count. I am teaching people step by step, and y'all gonna watch this channel grow, and I'm gonna tell you that Uncle Mike told you so. Here we go, y'all. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. Let's check it out.
YouTube have just announced some major updates for 2026 that definitely affect you. But your phone battery's down to 3%, which gives me around about 5 minutes. Challenge accepted. Neil Mohan, YouTube's CEO. And now, thanks to AI, literally the big cheese. Yeah.
Boom. That's one of the first thing I would like to start breaking down is you got to keep people interested. I mean, right now, I'm giving it to you raw. I'm giving it to you raw with no chasers. This guy, the big cheese, and then I got only 3%. He is actually making his video entertaining. Keep people on the platform. One more time.
YouTube have just announced some major updates for 2026 that definitely affect you. But your phone battery's down to 3%, which gives me around about 5 minutes. Challenge accepted. Neil Mohan, YouTube's CEO. And now, thanks to AI, literally the big cheese. Yeah, we'll get back to AI. Every year, he does this YouTube priorities article on the YouTube blog, and the 2026 version just dropped. Now, there is quite a lot of self-indulgent stuff here about YouTube being the new Hollywood, buying the Oscars, and supporting almost 500,000 jobs in the creator economy, which is pretty impressive. But what you and I want to know is why every time we go onto YouTube, they're trying to shove shorts literally into our eye sockets. 200 billion daily shorts views, that's why. Yeah, if you thought only having 3 long-form videos at the top of a homepage before you see shorts and a show fewer shorts option that doesn't do diddly squat were mistakes, think again. YouTube is determined to beef up your index finger abs for some reason.
That's funny right there. Also, first of all, YouTube is in competition with any social media. Think of Facebook. It's like one long feed. Instagram is one long feed, right? TikTok is the beast of the one long feed. So YouTube got together and said, well, we're going to do shorts because we don't want people to go to TikTok to do this scrolling thing. You know, they scrollers. Me, I'm a content creator that like to educate people. I love YouTube because YouTube pays out the most money. I don't care what anybody say. Them shorts, I don't even like the shorts on YouTube. We do shorts and everything, and we teach in our course why you should do shorts and everything. But think about it. It's watch time. We teach from a perspective of watch time. Here we go.
But let's talk about that number.
I like that. Wait a minute.
Again, YouTube is determined to beef up your index finger abs for some reason. But let's talk about that number for a second.
Okay.
200 billion daily shorts views. If we're led to believe that there are 2.5 to 3 billion monthly active users on the YouTube platform, that would mean every single one of those users would have to watch around 75 YouTube shorts every single day. Nah, something doesn't smell right there. But to be honest, regardless of the numbers, it seems clear to me that shorts are just as important to YouTube now as videos, podcasts, TV streaming, and all the rest. They've built tons of creative tools for shorts creators, many of which are AI related. More on that later. And they're about to turn community image posts into shorts as well. So not only will you be swiping upwards, you'll be swiping sideways as well. So in 2026, I implore you, if 200 billion of them are being watched every single day, make peace with YouTube Shorts. Put aside your anger, your conflict, your resistance towards them, and make at least one of them this year. You never...
Didn't I just say that? I don't like them. I never did like them. But you go to our channel, our main channel, and see how many shorts, well, both of the channels, any of our channels, we have a lot of YouTube shorts because you have to do them. But they have a lot of AI generated things, and there are softwares that come with your screen creator, and it does shorts at the same time and all kinds of stuff. But we get deep into all that type of stuff. Even on our live streams, y'all need to come to our live streams. Our live streams is open for people to have any questions or anything.
No, you may even find yourself having fun making them. This is how to start a faceless YouTube channel.
Use of AI completely optional.
Money! 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 For over a decade now, YouTube have been really good at helping creators monetize their content through ads, but there is so much more opportunity beyond that scope. And so the two biggest improvements to monetization in 2026 will be direct links to products in YouTube Shorts. I told you they were going to be important, and branded segments in long form videos. What this essentially means is that a video doesn't have a forever sponsorship. You could sell it for a certain period of time and then swap it out for another brand deal when you have one. Now, I appreciate that a lot of you are still striving towards that 1,000 subscriber.
Wait a minute, y'all. I don't want to go too fast because if you really want to learn YouTube, you got to slow down, break it down, and learn it. You know, these videos that he's doing, and a lot of them, I'm not passing judgment. Hurry up, put the video up there because the person is hurrying up. Okay, I got that information. What's the next information? That is not going to teach you YouTube. So, one of the things that YouTube allows you to do is we got a brand deal, right? Somebody wanted me to talk about this microphone, how good it is and everything. So they sent me the microphone. They sent me a little bit of money, and the contract was X amount of videos. We're going to talk about this microphone because these videos are going to stay on my YouTube channel for life. And people long way back will talk about this. Now, what he's just talked about is you can actually do a brand deal where you plug in a whole different, let's say we got a better deal from a new microphone company, and we can take this brand deal out and go with the new microphone. I don't have no more mics, y'all. Boom. Now we're using it. Ladies and gentlemen, this microphone deal pays us $3,000, and we want to put this in the place of this microphone brand deal. So that's important. That's something, that's like a game changer.
Beyond that scope. And so the two biggest improvements to monetization in 2026 will be direct links to products in YouTube Shorts. I told you they were going to be important, and branded segments in long form videos. What this essentially means is that a video doesn't have a forever sponsorship. You could sell it for a certain period of time and then swap it out for another brand deal when you have one. Now, I appreciate that a lot of you are still striving towards that 1,000 subscriber.
1,000 subscribers.
And 4,000 watch hour goal. But I would like to think that new features such as these will convince creators that there is so much more opportunity on YouTube beyond ad revenue. And now, a little bit more on...
Yes, and we teach that. We want to set your channel up for longevity. So what we teach, Growth Formula, affiliate links, high payout tickets, and different things, and they're easier to do because you're selling, for lack of a better word, you're selling straight to the consumer. People say, well, how can you? 5 people have asked me about a microphone. I have a traveling microphone that I've used, and every time I pull it out, we have an affiliate link. People say, well, how can I get that microphone? Where's the link? Boom. Because this is a $500 microphone. The traveling video, my traveling microphone is a $100 microphone. And to be honest, I mean, of course, this sounds a lot better. This sounds a whole lot better and everything. But the traveling microphone is by far getting the job done. It's getting the job done. It has sound cancellation, and it sounds just as good as whatever microphone he's using. You can listen to videos that I did while I'm traveling. I did a video when I was on the plane. I downloaded some videos. I'm on the plane, got my laptop out, got my $100 noise cancellation microphone out, and I'm doing reactions or doing videos while I'm traveling on the plane. And I can't wait till y'all get there. Here we go. Check this out.
AI, or should I call it slop? Whoa, don't shoot the messenger. It's not me saying this. Neil has an entire section dedicated to this divisive term. And let's face it, those 200 billion daily shorts views have got to go somewhere, haven't they? I I think the good news here is if YouTube are acknowledging the problem publicly, then you would assume behind the scenes they're working damn hard to address these issues. YouTube did tweak.
Whoa, that's important right there, man. Let's back this up real quick. Let's back this up. Hold on.
More opportunity on YouTube beyond ad revenue.
Here
and
we
now
go.
a little bit more on AI.
AI.
Or should I call it slop? Whoa, don't shoot in
The rise of AI has raised concerns about low quality content, aka AI slop. Whoa. So YouTube is letting you know right there. YouTube is letting you know they don't like that AI stuff. And guess what? It's showing. So YouTube has already put in some guidelines of using AI, the videos and stuff. But right now, people are still using them. But here we go.
much more opportunity on YouTube beyond ad revenue.
Last time.
A little bit more on AI. Or should I call it slop? Whoa, don't shoot in the messenger. It's not me saying this. Neil has an entire section dedicated to this divisive term. And let's face it, those 200 billion daily shorts views have got to go somewhere, haven't they? I think the good news here is if YouTube are acknowledging the problem publicly, then you would assume behind the scenes they're working damn hard to address these issues. YouTube did tweak their monetization rules last year to be more clear about inauthentic and reused content. And Neil does mention in this recent blog post that they continue to actively improve their systems. And let's be fair and balanced here. While AI can produce a lot of this so-called slop, it also empowers creators to make high quality educational content like this channel I stumbled upon a few weeks ago.
Touch the stones of the Minster and you're touching a building that took 2.5 centuries to complete.
And I really do appreciate it when creators properly label their videos. In less than a year, from less than 100 videos, this channel has cracked 100,000 subscribers and 70 million views. However, all of this by no means is the end game for AI on YouTube. Neil's got some big plans. At some point in 2026, you're going to be able to create shorts using your own likeness. And for a teaser trailer of what that's going to be like, head on over to Sora and have some fun.
With a single sentence and no budget, you'll be able to imagine anything.
Tackling AI slop versus AI avatars of real people. Sounds glorious, doesn't it? Now plug your phone in.
Be the Q in the mix.
That was pretty cool right there. Yeah, the AI is very interesting, man. It got a lot of glitches in it, and I'm pretty sure in 2 or 3 more years they are going to actually increase it, and it's going to be much better. But some of the glitches that's in AI is part of entertainment right now, because people look at it and be like, is that that's AI? I can tell that's AI. Yeah, and then you see 3 arms while the person dancing, or the bouquet of flowers when they do like this, it kind of change hands, all kinds of stuff. I say, oh, that's a glitch. You know, cars riding through people while they doing whatever they doing. Yeah, the glitches is letting people know that it's part of AI. I want to close by saying that we go live every Sunday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Fridays is a closed session for everybody that's taking our course, and that's when we go deep and analyze your channel, what you can do better, and all that type of stuff. But the growth formula, learn the growth formula, man. It's like built on universal laws. So no matter what, these are laws. Learn what growth formula means and how we apply it to YouTube. So just by taking the course, forget the YouTube channel. You should better your life. I'm Uncle Mike. I'm gonna get on up out of here. Y'all take it light, take it slow. Tell him Uncle Mike told you so. Peace out.